In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your Fire Boltt smartwatch for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to fireboltt.com, and that is with 2 T's here. Now, once we're here, we basically want to go to the bottom of the page to get to the website's footer. And now from here, under Help Desk, we need to go ahead and click onto Warranty Registration. Now, this is going to take us over to a page where we can fill out the warranty registration. So from here, we need to go ahead and put in our full name, our email address, our phone number, our source of purchase. So this can be from the Fire Boltt website, Amazon, Flipkart, or retail shop. The product type, so smartwatch, we want to make sure we've selected that. Then select product name, date of purchase, your order ID, and also your serial number. Then from there, just go ahead and click on submit, and then once you've submitted that form, that is going to successfully register that Fire Boltt smartwatch for warranty.